In primetime news this evening, startling results of beverage study at 35 school canteens.
Opened for business, Jamaica Zoo back in operation after controversial video.
And later, government minister increases the pressure on local banks. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. And with a preview of what's to come in the business day, here's Javon Keys.
Well, it's Wednesday, so the latest gas prices are out and they'll see a slight increase effective tomorrow. I'll tell you by how much and what will happen for the other categories of fuel later on.
All right, thanks, Javon. We also have Jermaine here. He has a preview of what's coming up in sports. Jermaine?
Well, thanks, Herman. The West Indies T20 World Cup squad has been announced, and there are some notable omissions, including two prominent Jamaicans. We'll tell you more a bit later on.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking, what are some of the challenges you faced in your attempt to make healthier juice and snack options for your child?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam1.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns after this break.